What's up, y'all? It's your girl Talia and I'm back with another hair video. I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a quick weave. First thing you're going to need is a rat tail comb so you can get these parts straight. Right here I'm parting my hair 2 finger spaces over from the middle part because we're going to create our leave out section. Do the same thing on the other side. Remember 2 finger spaces over, and don't forget to also curve out the back of the leave out. You'll see here. Once I'm done creating the leave out section, braid the hair and clip it out of the way. If you're leaving some of the hair out in front, braid that along with the leave out section. Next, you want to make a small to medium sized part to start the braid down process. I always make my braids small to medium so my quick weave can be flat as possible. Once I'm done my first braid, I'm going to part another section just like I did the first braid and braid that halfway down, then add the first braid to the second braid, and you want to repeat this process over and over till all the hair is braided up. A lot of people don't know what to do with this last piece of braid, so you want to take the last piece of braid and tuck it in between all the braids, or use a bobby pin and pin it to your hair. Next, take a ball cap, a black one specifically. After you put it on, make sure there is no extra space. Pull the cap down as far as you can. Now, this is the key to making your quick leaves last longer more than a week. Take a needle and thread and sew the perimeter of your hair. Then take the glue protector and spread it all over the cap. Make sure it's dried 100% before moving on to the next step. Do not get the glue protector on your leave out. I mean, it's obvious, but just for those who don't know. Right here I'm just cutting the cap off. Some people leave the cap on while they're going to tracks, but I just find it easier to cut the cap off first and then glue the tracks down. It's all up to you. Now it's time to glue the tracks. The first length I'm using is 20. Make sure you measure the tracks to your head before gluing it down. You want to go in a U shape so the hair looks fuller and fall towards your face more. Also, make sure you're flat ironing the hair as you're going so the hair underneath can be flat when you go and press your leave out, and so you don't have to go back and flat iron the whole thing once you're done. Now let's get into this leave out, girl. I'm taking this wax stick and putting it mainly on the middle and ends of my hair because that's where I need it to stay the straightest. You don't need much, just enough. Next, you want to split your leave out because we need to get in between and make sure underneath is flat too. Make sure y'all are taking the comb and flat irons and slowly running it through the hair. Then go back in with the comb and blend it with the weave. And from there you can tell if the hair is blended well or not. And this is the final results. Y'all can't tell me this ain't my real hair. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all subscribe for more and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys real soon. Stay gorgeous, y'all.